Did you know 90% of painters and decorators are still using sandpaper to rub down your walls, ceiling and woodwork, leaving a mess like this? The good news is there's a better, faster and much cleaner way to do the same job. By using the very latest dustless sanding equipment, we can greatly reduce the amount of dust we generate for working in your home. As you can see from the pictures, the sandings aren't like normal sandings, they're perforated, which allows the dust to be sucked through the mesh and into an extractor where it's collected. And as you can see from the video, there's not a great deal of dust generated.